So maybe I guess like maybe I can share the documentation for this. So what the plan is like, I just have maybe the hardware, everything like it was ready. I created multiple operating system in OS, virtual machines as well. I think I can show here. Yeah, I think yeah, VirtualBox. Yeah, I just actually created two Ubuntu systems, one Fedora system over my. Yeah, I don't know. I'm getting the same error. Okay, so what I actually did is like I just created one Fedora and one Ubuntu on my Windows environment. Actually, I just created a hosted virtualization environment where I will be having a underlying hardware commonly. Okay, and over that I have a maybe virtualization environment or virtualization layer, nothing but my Oracle VMware or virtual box. Okay, that acts as a hypervisor. Over that, I can create multiple virtual machine which can have any operating system. That was the plan, but I don't know like what is the error I'm getting. Like I think that is because I just closed the virtual machine or virtual box just through directly. Maybe that is the reason, I guess. Maybe that's fine. Maybe I'll just try with the VMware. Otherwise, like I think I have a VMware, but that I didn't plan anyway. Yeah, VMware is there, but actually the demo I didn't plan with that. But yeah, even my VM it is having a VM. Yeah, it is there. Okay, maybe I can play it now. Yeah, actually, if you look closely, as I said, so actually, this is not a part of the demo anyway. So what I am doing is I'm rather than instead of VirtualBox, I'm just using here VMware Workstation. That is one of the virtualization tool. Once after installing it, like I can create maybe I will do a small demo. Okay, maybe I will stop this. I will shut down this guest and I will create a new virtual machine so that okay. Yeah, I just try to create a new virtual machine. Okay, using the hypervisor here is nothing but VMware Workstation. Okay, once after installing this, then you can create n number of virtual machine. Maybe it will ask like this. If you look closely, it will ask like a OS. So I already have the ISO form of that Ubuntu OS. So I otherwise you can browse it and you can show it. So look at here. It is the downloader. I already have that. So click it. So next. So maybe a personalized, maybe all this username password. I just like FDP, FDP. I'll just for your, I'll just make it and location, all these details and how much RAM you want to assign to that storage, everything. Okay. So capacity, I'm giving 20 GB to this virtual machine and look at here the details. So I can customize it. So I can see my system is having total memory of 32 GB and I can assign 8 GB to the virtual machine what I'm going to create. My system underlying system is having 32 processor cores and I can assign 8 cores to this particular virtual machine what I'm creating now. Okay. So if I click finish, so the hypervisor will create a new virtual machine over my common hardware. Okay, and then this virtual machine will be like should be yeah. If you look closely, it is trying to install now. Now a virtual machine is created with 20 GB storage and 10 cores and 10 GB of RAM. Okay, now a new virtual machine is getting created, and after creating it, it is installing the operating system onto that now. Now, once after the installation is complete, then I can use this particular whatever the maybe the operating system. I just gone for Ubuntu. Then I can use this Ubuntu over my Windows environment. So I can go ahead with the installing this operating system. Okay. So no need to download the updates like whatever the way you can go ahead. And typically, this is a typical example for hosted virtualization where underlying hardware is there. Over that, I have an operating system. In my case, it is my Windows. And over that, I have a hypervisor, nothing but my VMware workstation. And over that, I can have n number of virtual machine. So one of the virtual machine I'm creating. So it is asking like erase the disk. Remember, once if you virtualize it, you need not to worry about your physical hardware. So it will never touch your physical files. All will be within your virtualization only. So you can go for it and it will install and your virtual machine will be ready now. So this is a typical example for a hosted virtual virtualization. Okay. So I think I stop with this and I will be sharing my slide, which is having more maybe the details of visualization concepts that I just suggest you people to explore. Due to time constraint, I just about to skip it. Okay, but you can explore it. It's all like I prepared in a way of a self maybe preparation way, so you can explore and you can understand and you can reach me in case of any doubts. So, any doubts? Hostess, I guess like it is time. Like any doubts or any clarification from the audience side? I
Dear
understand by
participants,
yeah,
yeah. Dear participants, please, if you have any doubts or if you have any questions to pose, kindly take the next 2 minutes to pose your questions to Dr. Victor.
yeah, I know. I understand. It's very hard to listen, hard to keep you uh, listening mode by this time. Anyway, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for taking the time to deliver such an informative and engaging session. We truly appreciate your valuable insights and expertise. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you all.
Thank you,
And
sir.
yeah, thank you. And you can reach me like in case of any doubts. Okay, technically research. Okay, maybe you can get the email ID from the organizers or from the faculty page of me anytime. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Dear participants, we have shared the feedback form in the FDP WhatsApp group. Kindly take 2 minutes to complete the feedback form. The form will be valid only for the next 30 minutes. It will close at 10 o'clock. So kindly take 2 minutes and complete the feedback form before logging out completely. And so that's it from our side for today. We will be meeting you tomorrow at 6:30. Thank you very much and have a good
Thank you.
night. Thank you.
Oh. Hello. Hello.